Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Aparender Español. So today we are going to talk about how to state the dates in Spanish. So how to write the dates? It's really easy. All we are going to do is change the order a little bit. So in English we say April 30th, December 25th, or maybe October 16th. The first thing that I want to tell you is that we are not going to use those types of numbers in Spanish. So basically, we don't use ordinal numbers in Spanish. We are not going to say the 3rd, the 5th, the 6th. Instead, we are going to say the number, the 3, the 5, the 6. So that means we get to use the same old numbers that we already know. We just have to flip the order a little bit. For example, in English, you say March 3rd. It's not going to be March 3rd. In Spanish, it's going to be the 3 of March. So you have to flip it around, remember? Okay, let's talk about it step by step. If I talk about the first word when you state the date is always going to be the. There are different ways to say the in Spanish. So we are going to use the masculine singular form, which is el. The first word is always going to be el, okay? So the next word is always going to be the date that you want to state. Okay, wow, it rhymes. I have covered the numbers in my last video, and I will cover more numbers in my next video. So, for example, if you're talking about March 3rd, in Spanish, it will be el 3, 2 words we have covered. First word is always going to be the, which is el in Spanish, and the second word is always going to be the number, the date that you want to state, okay? Third word is always going to be de. Basically means of in English, okay? El, number, de, and the fourth word is going to be the month that you want to say. So the 3rd of March that you say in English usually, the first word is always going to be el, second, the number that you want to say. Here we are talking about the 3rd of March, so it will be tres, el tres. Third word is always going to be de, okay? So el tres de, and the month, marzo. It's simple, right? El tres de marzo. Let's try a few more. State we can talk about is the 10th of September. So how will you state the state in Spanish? The 10th of September will be el 10 de septiembre. This is how you state all of the dates in Spanish except one. So there is one exception that I'm going to tell you right now, which is the first day of the month. Whenever we're talking about the first day of any month, we are going to use this format. So the first word is always going to be the, which is el, and then primero, el primero. Primero means first in Spanish. So here, if you're noticing, we are using the ordinal number. So the 1st of March will be in Spanish el primero de marzo. Everything is the same. The only change here is that we are using the ordinal number, which is primero. Let's take a few more examples. If you want to say 1st of June, then it will be el primero de junio. If you want to say 1st of December, el primero de diciembre. Now you can think of your own birth date or any date that you want to try. Try to say it in Spanish. It's very easy. Try your friend's birthday, try your birthday, try any date. In the morning when you get up, just say, let me see, what date is it today? El 4 de octubre? No, today is not 4th. Wrong date. But you get the point. You are going to find that over time, it will get very clear. So let's just try a couple more. The 5th of October. El 5 de octubre. The 18th of June. El 18 de junio. The 25th of December. El 25 de diciembre. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope I helped you in some way in my next video. Till then, hasta luego.